Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. So I'm switching from my ASRock AB350I to my Jginyue B450I motherboard here. And as you can see, this doesn't come with any Wi-Fi module, whereas this does. So in this video, I'm going to show you how do I transfer this Wi-Fi module to my new motherboard, where they give me two things to install as well. First off, flip this motherboard to the back. And you'll notice two screws here. Unscrew these two to remove the shield around it, and then start to do some of the magic. So let's go. So yeah, I've already removed it just by unplugging from this PCIe. And initially I thought I have to put the module in here and put it in, but I think what I'm going to do is just to plug this in and let's see if the screws hold line. It should, I mean, in this orientation. And but first off, I need to peel this off, and then I'll screw it again down here. We'll see. Well, I've tried, and as you can see, these screws hole do not align, so it's going to be wiggly here. So unfortunately, I do have to pry this open, put the module inside here. So let's go. So on the left is the original one. I've already pried this open like so, and then it came off, and you can see what's inside here. And then I'm gonna move this to here. As you can see, these are much closer to each other than on the new module. So I'm gonna open this one and see how it aligns inside. And we also know that I'm gonna have to remove these pins. I don't know if it's called pin, when it actually came loose. And as well as the screw here, so that I can pull out the module. As you can see, I already removed the module, so it's an Intel one, and it actually you just need to unscrew this screw as it holds it in place, and then this thing will come slide out. And it's actually supported by this rubber piece here. And now for this new module, it actually has two screws, one on here and the other one on the other side, and of different screws, so you have to remember. And then it has this clipping locking mechanism, so we'll see this clipping mechanism. We'll see how it is when we put the shield back. And then yeah, much less resting place for it, much less support. As you can see here, this is way bigger. Let's see. Then connect these two black wires, and then lock this in place. So here we go. So guys, I managed to put the pins in, and then push this thing back in. It was tough, used quite a bit of time, and a little bit of advice is to clip this before pushing this module in. That way it's easier. And I'm not sure if there's any sort, if this has to go to A or B, so I use this as my reference and then put it on the same spot. So do let me know down in the comments below if actually there is a orientation that we need to follow. And then I'm gonna close this shield off, and hopefully when I close this off, these pins does not come off. Alright, now I have it installed, everything. Screw here and here. Let's see if it fits my antenna from the old motherboard. Alright, it fits. Everything's well. Now I'm going to unscrew it, and then the next step is for me to put it onto the motherboard. So I'm expecting this to align fully now, and just slide down. Okay, got it in, and then I'm gonna screw it down. There we go, all installed. So I got the screws installed on the back of the motherboard, because that's how it came from my older motherboard. And yeah, that's it. Everything is sitting tight here. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found it useful. And if you have any questions, do drop your comments down in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.